My name is Angel Oriana.
My name is Sonia Orellana.
My name is Fabio Orellana.
And we're coming from Pacoima, California. We wanted the AC and the heat mainly because we were just, I guess, legitimately we were just tired of getting too cold like during the winter, and it was really, really hot during summer. Like, we just need AC now, you know.
Hemos estado esperando por muchos años para poner el aire acondicionado y tener el heater, pero todo el tiempo decíamos no, ahorita no hay dinero, pero nunca tenemos dinero. Gracias a ustedes con el programa que nos facilitaron, logramos hacerlo. Y luego pues nos mandaron a una persona que es muy amable y nos entendemos en español y todo, y estamos muy contentos.
The meeting with him actually went really well, just because he was able to like sit us down and explain to my parents like the package with everything. And they were, like my mom said, like he's extremely humble. Like he's a very humble guy, and he's very like understanding. Like he knows that, especially like with my parents, like that some things may be a little bit complicated. So he was just able just to pretty much simplify everything and explain everything very well.
Y que nos cayó bien desde el primer día y así pudimos hacer bien el trabajo, y luego él nos ayudó mucho en hacerlo rápido, en el horario de trabajo cuando no había nadie y todo.
The job was done pretty fast. It was pretty fast, and also like everything was clean, and it didn't look like they had left a mess or left random tools around or anything like that. Everything was just left perfectly fine. I was even surprised coming home, and I'm like, oh, they're done already? Like that's it. I figured it was gonna be a long process, but everything got done pretty quick. Before Novo Remodeling, we weren't aware of any type of asbestos or anything like that. It wasn't until like once they came in to start working that they found it. But once they found the asbestos, they went through the whole process of getting rid of everything, and that whole process was perfectly fine. And now we don't have to worry about anything like that, because I know it could be dangerous, especially having that in the house. Having AC is definitely better now. Or at least, well, now because it's winter, it's definitely better being warmer. The fact that it's warmer in the house, and like my parents said, we haven't had something like this in years. Like we haven't had a working AC like in years. So the fact that they were able to reach out to us and give us this, it's really cool. I would definitely recommend Novo Remodeling for friends, family. They're extremely humble with their work ethic as well, so I would definitely recommend this company. Gracias, Novo Remodeling.
En Giro, en Lío.
En Lío tú.